Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to start the reading of page number 30 and 31, unit number 5, Climbing High. Open your books at page number 30. Let's start from the last paragraph. She has been a professional climber since 2009, working as a mountain guide and expedition leader for the Hindu Kush and the peaks of the Karakoram. Samina made Pakistani people proud by climbing the 7 summits, the highest mountains of each of the 7 continents. She was the first to climb Chashkin Sar above 6,000 meters in Pakistan in 2010, which was later renamed as Samina Peak. In 2011, she scaled the summit of Kohe Barabar, Mount Equality. This made Samina a famous high-altitude mountaineer. Now I will tell you the meanings of difficult words. She has been a professional climber since 2009, working as a mountain guide and expedition. Expedition mean Muhimjo. Leader for the Hindu Kush and the peaks of the Karakoram. Peaks mean chotiyan. Samina made Pakistani people proud by climbing the 7 summits, the highest mountain of each of the 7 continents. Summits mean chotiyan, continents mean Bar-e-Azam. She was the first to climb the Chashkin Sar above 6,000 meters in Pakistan in 2010, which was later renamed as Samina Peak. In 2011, she scaled the summit of Kohe Barabar, Mount Equality. This made Samina a famous high-altitude mountaineer. High-altitude mountaineer mean इंतहाई बुलंदियों पर जाने वाली. Now you will read it again and again with correct pronunciation. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.